Okay, so why is everybody so hyped about Flaming Hot Cheetos? Both kids and adults are basically low-key addicted to this spicy snack. And I've read on some message boards, even pregnant people are jumping on the bandwagon. They say just don't have them too close to birth. So I had the opportunity to open a bag one day when I was making my husband some scrambled eggs and realized I had run out of sriracha. So what I decided to do was go to the pantry and just find whatever spicy thing I could, and there was a bag of Puff Flamin Hot Cheetos. So I blended those to a fine powder in my NutriBullet and put that aside. Then I whisked up some eggs. You could use salt and pepper if you want at this stage, but I usually add a little bit of salted butter to the pan. So heat a skillet on medium or medium low, add the butter. Once it melts, add the eggs. Stir it regularly with a spatula until eggs scramble to your liking. Then I put the eggs on a plate, sprinkled it with some of the Flaming Hot Cheetos dust. I think it would kill you if you used all of it. But finish it with a sprig of fresh parsley like I did if you want to be fancy. If you like easy recipes and want to try new things, make sure to subscribe to Sip Bite Go and sign up for the Sip Bite Go free recipe newsletter. Cheers!